Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video I am going to show you want to read WhatsApp messages on your iPhone without sending blue tick. It is possible or not? Yes, it is possible, and I will show you 100% working trick. Okay, I will show you 2 or 3 methods to read a WhatsApp messages without sending blue tick. First method is very simple and very straightforward. When you receive a message, don't open the WhatsApp application. Just need to read a message from the notification panel. From here you need to read your WhatsApp message. You can also long press to expand and you can read the full message. The message is very big. You need to tap and hold on that message and you can read your full message from the notification panel, and it will not send a blue tick. In case guys you have cleared the notification, now if you want to read a WhatsApp message without sending a blue tick, you can try this method. Before opening the WhatsApp, you need to enable the airplane mode on your iPhone, okay, and wait for 4 to 5 seconds and then open the WhatsApp and read your WhatsApp message. Okay, after you reading the WhatsApp message, close the WhatsApp and turn off your airplane mode. By this method guys, no blue tick will send to the WhatsApp. This is also very nice method. And third method is this guys, you need to disable the read receipt permanently. To do this guys, you need to open the WhatsApp and go to your WhatsApp settings. Okay, in the settings go to privacy and scroll down and find out read receipt. If you turn off this feature, you also won't be able to see the read receipt from other people also. So I will suggest you first and second method to read the WhatsApp message without sending the blue tick on your iPhone. I think this method also work on Android phone also. You can try this. Now you can read WhatsApp messages secretly on your phones. Okay, if this video help you out, please subscribe to Smart Tech Junction. Also like our video, share with your friends. Thank you.